I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying licenses and tenant readiness so Copilot can be provisioned. This matters because without the right SKU, the feature stays locked. Sign in to the Microsoft 365 Admin Center, assign Copilot licenses to the target users, and make sure Azure AD is configured for app registrations and conditional access. Once done, check tenant settings for Microsoft Graph consent and data residency because Copilot relies on those permissions, and correct tenant configuration to access Next, you configure the core services that let Copilot operate. This is the operational heart. In the Admin Center, toggle Copilot on and verify service plan propagation across Exchange, SharePoint, OneDrive, and Teams. Then connect Microsoft Graph and grant necessary delegated application permissions. Simultaneously, apply data loss prevention and sensitivity labels so Copilot respects governance. Make sure policies align with compliance requirements, because Copilot surfaces organizational data, and proper labels and conditional access. Finish by running a pilot. You assign a small group of users, test typical queries in Word, Excel, Teams, and capture activity logs. Validate that Copilot can access labeled documents and respects DLP. If it fails, recheck license assignment, Microsoft Graph consents, and conditional access policies first. Once validated, roll out in phases and adjust sensitivity labels or policies as needed. If problems persist, collect audit logs and escalate to Microsoft support with tenant ID and example failure traces.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.